Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs in 2023. How to add Google Docs in. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. So firstly open Google Docs, and to add Grammarly open any web browser like here and search Grammarly. Now open this first link. Now scroll down and select this one, Grammarly for Chrome. Now search this one, Grammarly for Google Docs. This one, and click on it. Now click on Get Grammarly. It's free. Now click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now here select your writing for like work, then next. Here fill your data. Like team member, manager, director, or what are you? Then next. I write in the following apps and websites. Select like Google Docs, Gmail, and another website. Then next. Then click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Now click on Next. And in the last, click on Continue to Grammarly. Now just guys open Google Docs or refresh Google Docs. Open your document. Now click here and pin Grammarly. So now you will see Grammarly here. So this is the method guys, you can add Grammarly to your Google Docs. To correct it, just select it. So thanks for watching. If you are facing any problem or issue, just comment. I will reply it.